This morning, we're at a different place. I ain't never been here before, but it rained last night, and it's sunny now at about 7 o'clock. So we're trying to find a bird that wants to party. Y'all stay tuned. Well, it's a little bit after 3 o'clock. We've been all over the place today. Daggone near the state line, about 3 hours away from my house this morning, and started out there, and we ain't heard nothing all day. But there's gonna be some rainstorms heading in about an hour before dark. So I'm gonna try to stick it out and try to find a bird, but it's been quiet all day. So I don't know what to do. It's just been tough. 20-mile-per-hour wind gusts. I've been calling down in these hollers where it shouldn't be as windy for these birds to hear me, but just act like they don't live around here or something. So, well, we're gonna try it for the rest of the evening, but if y'all don't see me again, it'll probably be tomorrow. Well, this is day 4 of crappy weather, and I got till about 8:30 to hunt because I got something to do this morning. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Unfortunately, this is the only big bird specimen I have caught in 4 days. And he is pissed plumb off for some odd reason. I don't know about you, bud. You're on top of a dirt mound. You're supposed to be in water. What are you doing? All right. This has been the most exciting 4 days hunting I've ever had. Man, all the way from East Coast to West Coast, north, all the way down to Florida. Man, it seems to me like everybody's having a hard time turkey hunting this year, but I killed that one bird and the second day of the season, that was it. I've had missed opportunities. I could have been tagged out if I wanted to kill jakes all year, but just didn't. Now I'm starting to regret it. But it is what it is. But man, make sure y'all subscribe and check me out throughout the summer, because we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna go camping, man. We're gonna do some survival stuff, man. We're gonna do some catch and cooks and stuff like that, man. I guarantee I'm gonna do a couple catch and cooks that y'all ain't never even seen or heard of. So come on. But man, I'm just trying to be in a good mood and have a good day. But this sucks. Getting up every morning at 3:30 in the morning, going 2 hours down the road to hunt turkeys that don't act like they don't exist. But it is what it is, man. But I'm gonna go deal with this business acquire for you guys. It's actually for this channel. Then I might go to the lake to try to catch some smallies. What's up? But make sure y'all subscribe, man. I'll holler.